alaikum everybody! Today we're going to be making strawberry ice cream. It's super easy, super simple. We're going to start off with a cup of plain yogurt, 4 cups of frozen strawberries, and finally we're going to need 4 tablespoons of honey. We're putting our frozen strawberries right now into the food processor. This is followed by our cup of plain yogurt. And now we're adding in our honey. You can use any sweetener. You can use maple syrup, you can use agave, you can even use sugar. This is what our ice cream looks like after we've processed it. And look at the consistency. It's very soft and smooth. Now you can serve this fresh, and what we're doing here is we are scooping it with our ice cream scoop, and it almost has the consistency of soft serve. If you want, you can also store it in the freezer for later, so that's what we're doing here. Just make sure after you take it out of the freezer that you leave it to rest for 5 minutes before serving. This is our final product, our strawberry ice cream. It took less than a minute to make, to be honest. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and like our video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!